We had a wonderful time today at the Pulse Canada Pulse Immersion Days, interacting with buyers and end users of pulses. We toured some lentil plots and pea plots and really got to experience with the buyers and the end users the value of genetics that we're researching and bringing to market with Saskatchewan pulse growers and Pulse Canada.
The most memorable highlights were pretty much everything. Best part of it for me was seeing the farms and the tours and just looking at all the farm equipment and just trying to figure out how all of that works so seamlessly into trying to get pulses for our table. Everything about the growing and the process from field to table, that there's a lot of things that I didn't know about what the farmers need to do to regenerate the soil, how they go about just basically doing their job.
The conversation pieces were excellent, meaning that there were some really good questions with regards to some of the agronomy practices that I was doing, the importance of rotation, pulses on my farm, pulses that are important to the ecosystem, and how we use it to drive not just profit, but sustainability. My way of looking at it is always trying to bring information in that balance to what the buyers are looking for, especially for keeping the consumer's heart in mind, knowing that their food is being produced in the most sustainable, economical way possible.
The most memorable highlight of the event was seeing how engaged are the farmers with the technology and how knowledgeable they are. That for me has been a really inspiring moment. I never saw farmers so competent and so excited and so disruptive. From a technological point of view, I was really happy to see that some of the technologies that are being developed here really complement with what we do. And the knowledge that the scientists have here, it's cutting edge, but at the same time is really rooted into application. I think it feels like a perfect territory to implement disruptive technologies for pulses. It's great.
What it will be unique about this event is the connections and the community that this event formed, the setup of the event in the middle of the action, in the middle of the prairies, and the quality of the people that we had a chance to meet and also network with.
I found this event to be really, really unique because everything is relevant, everything is geared to the industry. We don't have to pick and choose different events. It's a custom event that's designed for developers, it's designed for farmers, it's designed for absolutely anybody who is in the pulse industry.
For us, being in the milling industry and being at that initial start of the supply chain, it was great to come down and see all the developments that are taking place within the pulse industry, as well as meet all those others that are along that value chain. To be able to see all the different manufacturers and growers to build those relationships so that you've got a better idea of what people are looking for out in the industry, as well as what they're also producing. The U of S was a big one, especially the synchrotron, to be able to see how they're using that technology to be able to develop new products, as well as to learn when the best time to harvest your crop is, as well as how to maximize that potential that you're getting out of your grain.
Pulses are on the rise. Plant-based is here to stay. We need to get on the bus and we need to go ahead and do more with plant-based proteins and to find some way to incorporate into what we have for our everyday living, for sustainability, just for the future of all of our planets.
I really enjoyed the event because it was truly inspiring.
If you are involved in the pulse industry, this is some place that you should be to not only grow those connections, but also to see what's coming down the pipe.
Hands down, best event I've ever been to. Absolutely.